Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today I would want to talk about Bala Tripura Sundari Devi. She is the first of the Vidyas that is imparted on the Sri Vidya journey. When one begins the Sri Vidya journey, the Guru, Sri Vidya Guru gives Bala Tripura Sundari along with Mahaganapati, along with his Guru Paduka mantra. Bala mantra is the first mantra which appears in the Mantra Shastra in the form of Shuddha Vidya. Shuddha Vidya means pure knowledge, and it refers to her Triakshari mantra. That is the three-letter mantra. Then you have the Shadakshari mantra, which is a six-letter mantra, where the curse is removed from making that mantra into Siddhi mantra. Mantra Siddhi you get. Because there is no curse, because the mantra has been reversed and given. Then you have the Navakshari Bala mantra, which is closer to the motherhood, that is Lalita Tripura Sundari. Bala Tripura Sundari is the Prana Shakti who gives Shakti to all the mantras. Getting Siddhi in Bala mantra, there's a difference between getting Mantra Siddhi in Bala mantra, because you can perform any program successfully. And the other difference is getting Siddhi in Bala mantra, Bala Vidya, as in merging with the deity, that is getting Atma Darshanam of Bala Tripura Sundari. So that is a very high stage. Bala Tripura Sundari experiences are, you see her in the form of a young girl, and then you experience her as yourself, and then you experience her as one's own Ahankaram, and then you experience her as a Ahankaram present in all the entire infinite creations, including in the 100 trillion deities. That is her primordial I is nothing but Bala. So where is Bala Tripura Sundari not present? She is present in the entire Mantra Shastra. She is present in the Sri Vidya journey, and she is a very great Shakta mantra. Even the great Advaita stalwart Narayan Guru, he, after his realization, he used to abuse gods and goddesses in tasteless, vulgar fashion, standing in front of their respective temples. But he rose to that great Advaita heights, which was certified by Ramana Maharshi himself solely through the upasana of Bala. And then there is a great Siddha Kaula, Shivananda Paramahamsa, who was not born from the womb of a woman, but he was found floating in the ocean. And then a couple adopted him. He also did the sadhana of Bala Tripura Sundari, and he went to great heights. Such is the glory of Bala Tripura Sundari. In fact, in the Tamil Nadu tradition, they say that 64 Nayana saints, they chanted the Bala mantra, the Triakshari mantra, and they chanted in the local Tamil lingam, colloquial way, and in spite of that, they were able to attain great heights. Then you would ask, why, if everything is present Bala mantra, then why you proceed further in the Sri Vidya journey, which is replete with varieties of mantras of various forms of Divine Mother. It is like you are having an unlimited buffet. You don't stick to soup. You want to go further and further and taste everything till you reach the dessert section. So it is only you are trying to experience of a Divine Mother in more subtler forms. Bala Tripura Sundari is a swarupam of Divine Mother in the form of a small child that shows her latent capacity. It's like a volcano which is latent, but at any time it can go active and blow up. That is Bala Tripura Sundari. And she is also the swarupam of the entire infinite energy of the Divine Mother. She that holds her in herself. And Bala herself proved her capabilities when she was almost able to eliminate the entire Ananta Koti army of Bandasura, but she stopped because she wanted the glory of Lalita Tripura Sundari, her mother, to be sung as per Lalitopakyana. And those who are great Siddhas who walk on Bala Tripura Sundari Margam, they alone they have the daredevilry, courage, fearlessness, and they have that energy, they have the capacity, capability to overwhelm anything, anybody, everyone. Such is their capacity that Bala Tripura Sundari gives. And in Kali Yuga, Bala Tripura Sundari is very quick acting, but she is active, and she gives all the siddhis regardless of of the yuga. So her mantras are always siddhi mantras, provided you get it from a highly realized guru, comes from a genuine guru parampara. That's about it. Om Tat Sat.